Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove your Facebook account from other devices. So just you need to firstly sign in your Facebook account, then click on this profile icon. In here click on settings and privacy, then click on settings. In here click on security and login. Here you will find where you are logged in. So guys, here you will see a list of devices where you are logged in. Click on see more. So if you not recognize any PC or any device, so just you need to remove that device. Click these three dots and click on logged out. So your Facebook account will be logged out from that particular device. And also you can secure your Facebook account by logged out all of sections. So it's active now. We are using this Windows PC, and also this account is logged in from these other PCs. So it's easy and quick method to remove your Facebook account from other devices. Thanks for watching this video.